How to find a draft post on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find your draft post on Facebook. So first thing, simply head over to your Facebook. So let's say I have already created like 2 or 3 different draft posts in the past. So if I am unable to find that from my settings anywhere from here, so what I can simply do is just click on this what's on your mind button over here and just simply type anything, and you just have to click on back button and save this post as a draft. So what it does is it will give you or provide you with the notification from where you just simply have to click on this, and it will show me all of the draft post which I had already created over here. So since you know this is the first one, the latest one is this, the top one. This is just the post which I had just created, so I can simply discard this draft, and from over here I can just simply tap on any of the previous or past draft which I had already created, and you can re-edit and post it once again. So that is exactly how you can easily find a draft on Facebook post. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.